our visionary director, collaborating closely with the team to drive innovation and excellence. The research and development team pushes the boundaries of technology, ensuring we stay ahead with innovative solutions. Our design and development team brings creativity and precision, crafting all the drone components from concept to prototype. Here's leading cross-departmental meetings to align strategies and organization-wide. The HR team manages recruitment and employee well-being, fostering a positive workplace culture. Our finance team diligently handles accounting, securing the financial health of our company. Our pre-sales team actively engages customers, generating leads and driving revenue growth. Finally, the marketing team shapes our brand presence and executes strategic campaigns to amplify our reach. At IoTechWorld, collaboration and expertise fuel our success. Proudly made in India.